Today we'll be talking about the 7 most profitable niches on YouTube in 2023. If you're thinking of starting your YouTube channel or looking to expand your current one, this video is perfect for you. We'll go through each niche and get examples to help you get started. Finance. With so many people looking for ways to improve their financial situation, the finance niche is highly profitable on YouTube. You can create content around investing, budgeting, or saving money. Share your expertise on personal finance, offer tips and advice, or review financial products and services. Some examples of finance channels include The Dave Ramsey Show, Graham Stephan, and Andre Jick. Health and fitness. The health and fitness niche is highly popular on YouTube. Whether you're a personal trainer, nutritionist, or someone who loves to stay fit, you can create content around workouts, healthy recipes, and wellness tips. This niche is all about helping people achieve their fitness goals and live a healthy lifestyle. Some examples of health and fitness channels include Blodulates, Whitney Simmons, and Jeff Nippard. Beauty and fashion. The beauty and fashion niche has always been popular on YouTube, and it's not going anywhere in 2023. You can create content around makeup tutorials, fashion hauls, or skincare routines. This niche is all about helping people look and feel their best, and there's always a demand for new beauty and fashion content. Some examples of beauty and fashion channels include Jackie Aina, James Charles, and Zoella. Gaming. The gaming niche is highly profitable on YouTube, with millions of people tuning in to watch their favorite games being played. If you're a gamer, you can create content around game reviews, walkthroughs, or live streams. This niche is all about providing entertainment to your audience, and with the rise of esports and online gaming, it's only getting more popular. Some examples of gaming channels include PewDiePie, Markiplier, and Ninja. Technology. The technology niche is all about the latest gadgets, software, and tech news. If you're someone who loves to stay on top of the latest tech trends, you can create content around reviews, tutorials, or news updates. This niche is all about educating and informing your audience, and with technology advancing at an incredible rate, there's always something new to talk about. Some examples of technology channels include Marks Brownlee, Linus Tech Tips, and Unbox Therapy. Travel. The travel niche is perfect for those who love to explore new places and share their experiences. If you're a travel vlogger, you can create content around your adventures, from destination reviews to travel tips and hacks. This niche is all about inspiring and entertaining your audience, and with so many people dreaming of traveling, it's highly profitable on YouTube. Some examples of travel channels include Lost LeBlanc, Hey Nadine, and Kara and Nate. Education. The education niche is all about sharing knowledge and helping people learn new things. If you're an expert in a particular field or have a passion for teaching, you can create content around tutorials, how-to guides, or online courses. This niche is all about providing value to your audience, and with so many people looking to learn new skills, it's highly profitable on YouTube. Some examples of education channels include Crash Course, Sauce, and TED. So there you have it, the 7 most profitable niches on YouTube in 2023. Whether you're looking to make a living on YouTube or just want to share your passion with the world, there's a niche out there for you. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content and find what works for you and your audience. If you have any other ideas for profitable niches on YouTube or want to share your own experience, let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.